What I'm showing you is in a demo company here is a dashboard I created using our demo environment. And it's really the foundation of this is the Maxio submo report and the underlying data within Maxio. And what's cool about this is the data is dashboard is built on a January to February type cycle. And it's showing you ending ARR, customer count, and then you get all this like great information with it over a time series. And you can see ARR trends, the bridge, your monthly movement, expansion, contraction, new, lost logos. So there's a ton of data that's just pulling right there. And then if you go to like, we're seeing a spike here in February, like drop into new, I can see like the details of which customers are driving that. And then you click in and you can actually see the transaction number within Maxio, the item numbers, the contract start and end date, and quantity ARR. So it's like really like what the beauty of Maxio and the MCP, it allows you to harness like this data, but build a dashboard customized to what you and your function are doing from a day-to-day basis. And I built this in like under 30 minutes with all this detail. There was a lot of like back and forth of how do I want it configured and what information am I looking, and then drill down capabilities. But what I think it unlocks is the harness of the underlying data, but how are you as an end user interacting with the application in your business, and what questions you get asked on a daily basis, and the rest of your company to harness this data as well. But it's curated specifically to what is more and most meaningful to you to accomplish your function and help grow your business. That's what I love about that's what I love about like the technology and how fast it's moving. Is before this would be several reports and maybe clicking through a bunch right now, but then the ability to dive right in here and say, all right, now this is the function. And usually this is the dashboard I'm operating on. It gives me a pulse day to day of what's going on in the business. And I'm able to ask or answer questions from my board or the CEO or just head of sales on what I'm seeing and have we processed orders or whatnot. But they're also able to see this real time as well. So you're getting really to this almost virtual close type cycle within your revenue billing, where prior to that, you'd have to wait month end before you're distributing this information.